Hey everyone, and Happy New Year. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. For everybody who's been here before, welcome back. I can proudly say that I'm coming back. I'm finally going to start producing content for the channel again. I got kind of burned out on it the first time, a couple years ago, and I'll go have another video soon going over all that's happened in the past 2 years. But basically, I'm reformatting the channel now to where I'm going to do probably multiple shows. Like, I'm still going to do BSD Synergy because I know that's what my entire fan base here is currently here for. You want to see BSD-based videos, and I still enjoy producing them. The main thing is that I don't use it in my day-to-day life. For the companies that I work for, not many people are really running BSD that are running microservices and Docker and stuff. So unfortunately, I don't really get the opportunity to play with it as much. So it just adds to the amount of time it takes for me to learn something about BSD to where I can actually do a video on it. So I'm going to do multiple channels, or not really multiple channels, multiple, as you call them, shows for this channel, basically around where I'm still going to have BSD Synergy, but I'm going to create some new ones. Going to go into the realm of what I do now, which is site reliability engineering. Going to go into a lot of the cloud-based technologies, HashiCorp stuff. Go into some programming things such as Python and all of that. I love Python. It's what I'm really into. And then all the other open source projects that I'm working and currently founding right now. So thank you for sticking around. Thank all of you that keep subscribing, even though I haven't produced content in 2 years. I'm looking forward to producing new content soon, and I'll check back with you soon.